Are you looking to supercharge your manifestations? Then this video is for you. I'm going to teach you how to quantum jump by shifting your energy and shifting your internal world at the same time. We don't manifest what we want, we manifest who we are. It's important to consciously create a relaxed state of being because that's what we will manifest. But also aligning your internal thoughts and beliefs will also create an energy. So we're going to consciously create our energy and our internal thoughts and beliefs to match what we desire. We're going to do this through EFT tapping, which is emotional freedom technique, where you're tapping your pressure points to send a message to your brain to calm down and relax and release that anxiety and come into the state of being of relaxation. We're also going to pair that with stating to the universe that our manifestation is done. It's already ours. And it's also sending a message to your brain that you can relax now because it is done. It is taken care of. It's already yours. Thank you, universe, for sending me X, Y, and Z, whatever it is you're manifesting, over and over again.